Warning, this is a real alert made by the Pona government. There has been an unknown radioactive liquid spewing out of the Pona nuclear weapons facility pool, or the PNWFP. Avoid unnecessary travel to the province of Tenerife and some parts of Upilandia, as the radiation has spread. Keep doors locked. Wear hazmat suits when travelling to Tenerife and Upilandia for now. If you proceed to go to Tenerife and Upilandia without caution, you could get wetapoloniosis, which is a radioactive disease you may get, and you may even die from it. Stay safe, Ponans. Footage will now be shown.